everyone! Today I would like to explain you how to disassemble and then load back our Gladiator cabinet on your pickup vehicles in a very simple way. First of all, we need to pull the red valve arm to free our Alco feet and lower all of them straight to the ground. After repeating this process on all the feet, we need to take our jack arm and lower our feet in a row at an equal level. After a while, you will see that the cabinet separates from the vehicle's body and now starts to stand on its own feet. Now, it is the time when we can take the vehicle out from under the cabin, in the same time checking carefully whether there is any contact between the cabin and our vehicle or not. Then we need to open our support legs to increase the wind resistance of our cabin. When we want to take the cabinet back on the vehicle, we need to make sure that the cabin comes back to the luggage level by backtracking, preferably with the guidance of another person. With the help of the jack arm, we need to raise our Alco feet in an equal order and put the cabinet on the chassis. Afterwards, we raise our Alco feet with the help of the red handle again and connect the cabin and the chassis with the help of the braces that are previously attached to the connection points hooks of the vehicle. Now the process is finished. You can come back to your adventurous life with the Gladiator.